This is Dan King of Boatshed on board this Moody 33 Mark II. Coming down the companionway, turning to aft. The original but still working Flavel cooker. A nice aft cabin with plenty of storage and access to the rear of the engine. Generously equipped navigation area with Class B AAS transponder. There is a more modern chart plotter on the binnacle in the cockpit. Heads with a traditional Jabsco, some storage, moving forward, nice headlining, considering the age of the boat, the woodwork has obviously been cared for and is in good condition. The upholstery has some rust stains. It's otherwise serviceable. But that's something a new owner could invest in. A comfortable, well-equipped boat with a wind vane for extended passage making, and as you can see from the video of the engine, an excellent Yanmar.